Hello, today's camper is an Avion, and this is Terry and Jerry. And they're going to tell us about their camper. What year is it?
It's a 1979. We've had it about 3 years. Purchased it in Roggersville, Tennessee. Had a lot of rot inside and the back. Replaced that. Most of all, it was in good shape, the woodwork, and that's what we liked about it was the woodwork.
I'm going to show some of their decorations while you're talking.
Okay.
We had to rebuild some in the back on the inside, put new plumbing in a lot of it, new water heater, new flooring, reupholstered the couch. That's pretty much, and then just shined up the wood because it was in really good shape.
All right.
Okay. And the name of our camper is the Mamie Agnes, and that is after my grandmother.
My mom's name is Agnes.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, she would be proud that nobody ever named grandkids from her, so she's got a camper named after
right.
her.
Do you want me to take my shoes off?
No, you're fine.
Okay.
And I kind of did it with her in mind.
Oh, this is sweet.
Just made it
It looks like Grandma's
homey
house.
Yeah, and I've got a lot of her stuff in here, some quilts, and I usually have a picture of her up, but I didn't do that this week. But so I did all the curtains out of bark cloth, and of course the lacy touches.
I got to tell you, I don't have a vintage camper right now, but being at this rally makes me want a vintage camper again.
Yeah, and all the men love this feature right here. This, I guess, a radio station, and it tells you how much water's in it and all, so men love that part of it.
And you've got some old radios.
Radios, yeah, this is and that.
It's all the accessories that really make it feel homey. And the old picnic basket.
And I use luggage. I painted and I kind of decorate outside with that. I've only got one in here today, but
yeah, and it did rain this morning, so
yeah,
people kind of altered their decorations a little bit.
And we have lots and lots of storage in this trailer. We got
I'm finding a lot of them do.
Refrigerator, which is nice, and a full closet.
Back up here.
And you'll have to show my chandelier here.
Oh, look at that. I didn't even look up. Fancy.
That's my bling. And
that's for the diva bling. Huh?
Yes. The next room is the kitchen.
And is this all original?
It is. It is. Like Jerry said, we just polished the woods with several coats of product, and
it looks like house cabinets.
Now this is a 79, and they use these kind of cabinets for a few years, and this hardware here they use for a few years. And we see other ones, and we say, oh, that's just like my trailer. And a little pantry right here.
And our bathroom.
Baby bathroom. Which
did you say baby bathroom?
I did.
Yeah. It's more bathroom than what I have. Right, I have none.
At least it's a bathroom.
Yep.
And then on into the bedroom. And this feature right here we love about the camper, the two beds, because we don't have to crawl over each other.
Right.
And this is Jerry's side. He decorated his side with the camper theme, and I decorated my side with more of
with Grandma's house.
Yeah.
I love that. And look at that quilt.
And
so that's fun that you both decorated your own side.
Yeah, well, I didn't figure he would like all this fluffy stuff. And this piece of gingerbread I had found one time at a yard sale, and I thought, one of these days I'm going to use that. And it fit perfectly back there, and I just hang it up, and
it gives more decoration. Yeah. Well, this is really nice. There's another view of the living room.
So we have enjoyed it and enjoyed all the people we meet on our rallies and gatherings.
Now, is that couch original, or did
It
you
is
have
an original couch. We just had it recovered.
You did, okay.
And it was actually built into that spot. And it was kind of hard to get it back in place because they didn't number the pieces or anything.
Oh.
So they had a hard time getting it back in there. But finally they did. And that does fold out and make a bed also.
My bed is about as wide as that cushion is.
Really?
28 inches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
All right. Well, thank you, Terry.
thank
I'm going to
you.
walk around outside a little bit.
Okay.
And we'll see you on the next trip.
All right.
Happy
Thanks a
camping.
lot.
Thanks. So we're doing a Halloween decoration at this rally, so everybody has some decorations up, and I'll show you hers. And they've got the camper name here. And that's it. So like and subscribe if you like these videos. There'll be more vintage camper tours. We'll see you on the next trip. Happy camping.